needs a diaper change.
Here we go. Getting louder.
It's this.
Oh God!
I want to see its butt. It's baby bottom.
You don't see its butt, you see its junk.
It's junk.
Yeah. There you go.
I love how it has like yellow fabric on it.
The other one's blue.
Contamination!
I'm sorry. Mommy. Someone tell me the
I
time.
have a new diaper
Good time.
It's like
Oh my God.
This is an easy baby, let me tell you.
Well, wait until 2
You
o'clock
can
this
go an
morning.
hour and a half without it making a peep.
Let's wait a few hours. Let's see what it's like in a few hours.
You would cry 20 minutes if I didn't nurse you.
Well, hey, wait. When will it cry again?
I don't know.
You
It
don't
just
know.
starts crying. It's gonna cry a few times tonight,
It's
probably.
programmed to act like a real baby, just be random and
How do you know, Mom?
Right.
Are we gonna get any sleep? Are you taping that whole thing? Are we gonna get any